To watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link given in description box below and also subscribe Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is mango ice cream. It is very simple and easy recipe. It requires very few ingredients. You don't need whipping cream or ice cream maker to make this creamy delicious mango ice cream. So let's see the ingredients. To make mango ice cream, we need 500 ml of cream. The cream that I am using is fresh cream with 25% fat content. I am using this because it is very easily available in market. You can also use heavy whipping cream. 2 cups of mango puree. To make this, take 2 large mangoes and take the pulp out, and without adding any water to it, just grind it to make a fine puree. 1 can, that is 400 grams of sweetened condensed milk. The amount of condensed milk will depend on the sweetness of the mango that you are using. So you can start with 200 grams of condensed milk and then gradually increase the quantity to adjust the sweetness as per your taste. And little yellow food color, which is totally optional. We will start by cooking this mango puree. So take this puree in a pan and cook this on medium flame. The idea behind doing this is to reduce the water content from this puree. If there is water in the ice cream mixture, then it will lead to formation of ice crystals in your ice cream. So cook this till it is half reduced. This much is enough. You can see it has become little thick. Keep this aside and wait for it to come to room temperature. Next, in a blending jar, take this mango pulp. Add cream to it. Sweetened condensed milk. Blend this to make a smooth mixture. I forgot to add food color, so I will add it now and just give one more blend. Take this mixture in a container. I am using this baking tin to set the ice cream. Cover with a cling film. Gently press so that the film sticks to the surface of this mixture. Put this in freezer until it is almost set. After around 3 hours, this mixture has set. So take this out again and put it in blender. And give one last blend for just few seconds. Put the mixture back in container. Again, cover it by sticking this film to the surface of this mixture. Keep in freezer for final set. After 5 hours, our mango ice cream is ready. You can see the texture, it is so smooth and creamy. If you like, you can also put some chopped pieces of mango in this. So do give this recipe a try. It is very easy to make and it requires very few ingredients. If you enjoyed watching this video, then do give this video a like, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe my channel for more such yummy recipes. I will be back soon with a new recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.